Okay, so I've debated with myself whether or not to discuss this point, but I think it's important because everybody gets unsure when they're creating something. So if you look at the carving now, you'll see that I've noted a couple things as I've discussed before. In this case, the lines here represent the top of the eye and the bottom of the eye on both sides. But what I wanted to discuss here was that if you're looking at the carving now, you're probably saying to yourself, this looks like hell. How in the heck is he going to move forward with something like this when it's unrecognizable to even the light sketch that I gave it before? And the concept here is that throughout the time that you're creating the work, there's going to be, I don't know, many times when you're like, I can't do this. I've already messed it up. There's no way I can get to my ultimate goal of completion when I'm looking at something so horrible. And it's important to just note to yourself that you're going to keep going. Just keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Eventually, you're going to do just fine. The object for me here is that I'm trying to set the brow ridge, and I'm trying to get the nose to stick out. Obviously, this whole area is just terrible. This whole area is just terrible. But you can't look at that. You need to try to look at the picture that you're trying to create, note the highest points, and then try to bring the work into that realm for the most part. So I'm just going to continue working. I know that this is high, this is higher, and this is probably lower than the nose by a little bit. But it still has to be high up here because of the beard. So I'm just going to keep going and work it out. Try not to get discouraged by what you see that you're creating in the process. Look more towards the end about what's going to happen. All right, I'll continue.